right, good morning. Good morning for me anyways. It's Father's Day this morning, and I just got a few hours I'm going to try to spend here clearing out this ridge trail. So let's go ahead and hike up it and take a look. Well, it's not a bad little hike. If I had to guess, this run of ridge that I'm gonna clear is, I don't know, maybe 500, 600 feet long, not too long. And you notice as I was hiking up it, there's one spot in particular where there's a bunch of 8 and 10 inch size fir trees I'm gonna take out. But the rest of it's pretty open. We came down through here with the chainsaws and kind of bucked some stuff out of the way, but you can see it's pretty brushy, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let's get after it. Today I'm going to be using this this old MS460 I got when I was like 19 years old, and cut down a lot of trees with this thing over the years. Chop down the trees. So I'm going to play you guys a tune my dad made. He went back to Nashville, recorded this with some friends of his, and Johnny Highland is the lead guitar player on this track. And you got to check out Johnny Highland if you've never tuned into any of his music. He's absolutely fantastic guitar player, bluegrass and all that. He's been doing lead guitar for a number of different major artists out there. But anyways, check out this song. It's called, again, Sheep in Wolf's Clothing. And every time I crawl into this dozer, it's kind of like putting on the wolf costume. Now we're getting somewhere.
Of West Texas, preyed on two-legged deer in Tennessee, just like a wolf on the prowl, looking for a howl and hungry for some love. When the moon comes up, I always find someone. Yeah, there's been a time of 10 I've fought some men over women at the bar. I got fists of steel and there's iron in my jaw. Yes, I fooled a lot of chicks, worn out tricks. The truth I can't deny, but I just can't pull the wool over your eyes. I guess I'm a sheep in wolf's clothing, 'cause I'm gentle as a lamb when they take me by the hand. I'm not so bad if it's you I'm holding. I'm a sheep in wolf's clothing. Now when the moon comes up and the sun goes down, my hair begins to grow. My eyes glow red, my hands turn into claws. Yes, I'm a creature of the night. I can give you all a fright, but I do it just for show. And I think you know the things that they don't know. That I'm a sheep in wolf's clothing, gentle as a lamb when you take me by the hand. I'm not so bad if it's you I'm holding. I guess I'm a sheep in wolf's clothing. When you fall asleep and you're counting sheep, count on love from me. Now I'd never stall. Won't you give me a call? I wanna jump into your dreams. Yes, I'm a sheep in wolf's clothing. Would Little Red Riding Hood be so surprised? Little Bo Peep knows I'm a phony. I'm just a sheep in wolf's clothing. Ain't got no teeth when it's you I'm holding.
got it done. My dad brought out the skid steer. I'm not going to use it today. It's Father's Day. We're about to head up to the pool and hang out. But started around 9:30, 9:45 this morning. And it's about 11:30 right now, 11:36. You can see Bowie's in the shade there hanging out. We got Penny. How you doing, girl? Anyways, got it done all the way up to the top. Didn't take too long. Had to chop down a couple trees in there. No big deal, but let's walk on up this road and compare it to the before.